Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to see deleted tasks in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, scroll down to your project section and open the project that you want to see the deleted task of. Now go to this icon, search this view, and click on these three dots. Now go to advanced search, click on that, and here go over to status and change it to deleted. Now click search and it will show you your deleted task. So this is basically how you can see it, and you can undelete it simply by clicking on this trash icon right here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.